Hi, this is Danielle from Community Action. We're at White House Surgery today and we're with Emma from the National Energy Foundation, who's working on the Better Housing, Better Health project. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Please could you tell us a little bit about your services, what you do, who you are, that kind of thing.
So yes, my name's Emma and the National Energy Foundation is a charity that focuses on fuel poverty and keeping people warm at home. And we've just recently launched the Better Housing, Better Health project in Milton Keynes, which is very exciting, hence the poster. It's a very well established project in Oxfordshire and Buckinghamshire. We've been doing it for about 14 years, but we're not very well known in Milton Keynes yet. Part of the project, or the basis, is that we're offering people that are struggling with fuel poverty or just any aspect of keeping warm at home, we're offering them some support and advice and helping them to refer into other services. So we do that by having a Freephone helpline 5 days a week, and then we'll talk to people, get their situation, the areas that they're struggling, and then we'll go from there. So there's lots of ways we can help. We can help with accessing funding for larger measures such as boilers or insulation, but then we go through lots of general advice, behavioural advice. Right now energy prices are going through the roof, so we can talk about understanding their bill, helping to change anything that they do to reduce it, but also looking at switching if they want to switch. We can offer free home energy visits to vulnerable people, so an energy assessor will come and just have a look around their house and give them a lot of tips and advice, and they've got like little things as well that they can supply, like draft proofing or low energy light bulbs, all sorts of things like that.
Okay, that's great. And then could you share maybe a bit about the impact that the organisation and project has?
It's, definitely since COVID especially, we've really realised that a lot of people are struggling. Their situation, financial situation and health situation might have changed for the worse. So whereas before maybe people were just getting by, they're not, and they're really struggling. They're going into fuel debt, for instance, with perhaps a lower income coming into the house and higher fuel bills. So I think knowing that they've got someone to talk to and someone that can help has a massive impact on people.
Brilliant. And then I suppose, is there anything about people you want to know about your service and who you'd like to work with?
Just really, we really are trying to speak to as many organisations, especially that work with vulnerable people. We offer free staff training for those organisations, so that would be great, so we can tell them about fuel poverty, give them an idea of how big the problem is, but really importantly let them know how easy it is to refer into us and then how we can help people.
Great. And how can people who are looking to access your service get involved, and then how can organisations maybe that want to signpost to you get in touch?
So first things, come here. Where are we? There we are. Look, www.BHBH.org. Have a look on there. There's loads of information, but we also, the free helpline is that one, 0800 107 0044. And then just come and talk to us, because I think a lot of organisations that are working with vulnerable people sometimes don't know what to do when someone's struggling with the fuel poverty side. So, being able to work with them and them knowing that we can support them as well, I think is massive. So please get in touch.
Brilliant. Thanks so much for joining us.